Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be hitting up the drugstore. That's right, everything used in today's video is going to be all drugstore products with a lot of ones that are completely new to me. So I'm going to be trying them out with you guys, testing them out for the first time and seeing how they work and use and blend, and this will be the look we will be creating today. So just keep watching and hopefully you'll discover some new drugstore products that won't break the bank. I think everything in this video is under like $10, so if you're looking for some budget makeup, you're in the right place. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is prime the face, and I'm actually going to be using something that's not new, but something that I've had for a while that I tried, and over the time I don't remember really loving it, and I keep seeing people talking about it, so I'm giving it another go around and we're gonna see how this goes. But this is the NYX Honey Do Me Up. Like I said, I had it for a while and I don't remember being too impressed. It smells clean. I don't know. We're gonna give it a shot because today's theme is kind of like yellow as you can tell from my shirt, so I figured, you know, we'll stick with the yellow theme. I wish it smelled like honey. It's got a little stickiness to it. Not bad. Not like super hydrating. Alright, next thing we're gonna go into is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and this is their foundation stick. Guys, I actually got a new camera, which I'm pretty excited about, so let me know if you can tell a difference. Before I was just using my phone, so I'm hopeful we can up the quality for you guys so my videos can be a little clearer. You know, you can actually see the makeup that I'm putting on my face. That would be cool. So I'm gonna go in with this guy, and I've actually never used a foundation stick before, so I'm just gonna give this a run and we'll see how I feel about it. I'm just gonna put this on my face, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have a beauty blender, and then I also have a foundation brush, so I figured I might try both and see which one I prefer. That seems to be doing something. I like this. I can definitely feel the tackiness of it, but it's moving. It's movable tacky. I really like the finish of this. I don't know if you guys can pick up on that, but really smoothing out my skin tone. It kind of looks like a medium coverage. Let's see with the beauty blender how we feel about that. I actually think this is just a little too wet with this one, and it's kind of getting rid of that really nice finish that it had. So I would say brush for this guy. Alright guys, I gotta say I really like this. It has a very smooth finish. Can you see that? It's like very natural, matches my skin tone very nicely, blended out easily, and it has that like natural finish that I really dig. Very similar to my NYX Total Coverage one. Oh, I like this. This is beautiful. Super pretty, super easy. I'm digging the whole stick foundation thing. I didn't think it would be this good, but this is so easy. Good job, Wet n Wild. Next, we're going to be using concealer, and today we will be doing the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And this guy is one that I've been using for a long time. Not a new product to me, but one that I love. Those Mod Dark Circles are no joke. You guys hear me complain about them all the time. Now I look crazy, yeah. I figure since we're going with this stick theme, we might as well keep it sticky. So I will blend out with my little beauty blender. Sometimes I prefer a brush. I did not like what that beauty blender mixed in with this. For some reason, those two I just don't think are a good pair. I feel like it kind of just like lifts it up and separates it a little bit. I don't know, I'm just not really a fan. So I think for a stick foundation, or at least this one in particular, I would stick with a good old brush. So now we're going to be going into another oldie but goodie, and one that you guys have seen and will continue to see time and time again. NYX Banana Powder. You guessed it. Bitch, you guessed it. I mean, chick, you guessed it. This guy, keeping with the yellow theme apparently, It's just going to help set that under eye concealer. The next product I'm going to be using is one that I definitely won't be the first to talk about. It's the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. People have raved about this for a long time, and for some reason I've really just been hung up on my Glossier powder, and I figured it was time to branch out into the drugstore realm of translucent powders. Crap, where's my powder brush? Well, that's important, huh? BRB, y'all. Found my powder brush. It does come with this cute little puff, but I'm just gonna, I like having a bit more control. I will say, this smells like grandma. Like, I don't know, I haven't heard really anybody else mention that, but like, it smells really strong. Like, not just strong, but like grandma, like just like an old lady powder room. I don't know, like cinnamon? Next we're gonna go into eyes, and I thought that these were super cute. They're technically not from the drugstore, it's from Ulta because it's Makeup Revolution, but they're still $7, so I felt like that classified it in the drugstore range of affordability. Look how adorable these are. They had all these little donuts, and this one's called Maple Glazed, and when you go inside, this is kind of the inspiration for all the yellow, by the way. You had all these really fun colors. So you have this like really bright mustardy kind of yellow right here, this really pretty coppery shade, and this next really bright center shade. They don't have names, so they have numbers, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know what we're going for today. Alright guys, so I've been blending away over here, and this is what we have. Alright, so it's still got a little blending to do, but I figured I would bring you guys in now, and then I can show you how we got there. We'll clean it up a little bit, finish up the face, and find out some more new products. First I'm going to go in with a fluffy kind of crease brush. This is the Morphe M13, and I will be going into the shade here. So now that we've built in that crease a little bit, we are going to go into these shades here and combine them just to make it a little bit darker and start buffing out that crease and defining it just a little bit more. And I know you're naive, but you know. And I do try to keep the deeper shade kind of on the edges, so it has almost like an ombre effect. And we're going to go in here, we're going to blend this on the outer edges. Got right here, a flat brush. Going back in with this guy and just smoking it out a bit on the bottom lash. Alright guys, so this is where we are with the eyes. So far, I'm really digging it. This little guy for $7, I don't think he's bad. I will say there is a little bit of kickback, like I don't know if you can see that in there. It's a little powdery, but not terrible. Like I said, for $7, I really do think these colors have a lot of color payoff on them. They really get some bang, and the metallics are really pretty too, and I felt like the mattes even blended out pretty well. So for $7, I'd say that's a good buy. I'm just gonna go in with my Essence. Oh goodness gracious, this is like rubbed off because I use it all the time. It's like their dark brown, but Everlast. I'm gonna link it down below. Sorry guys. It's like $2 though. I'm just gonna go in really close to that line and highlight it. That you're young. And I know you're naive, but you know that you can sugar under your skin. Alright, so pulling away from the eyes, I'm going to cleanse up a bit The bronzer we're using is from Colourpop. Oh, I kind of forgot what it's called. I'll link it below. Beach Party Tan something. Next I have Wet n Wild's. This is their Halo Liquid Highlighter. Not completely new, but it is new to me. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna like add this to my eyes too. Is that allowed? Okay. Gotta blend that in. Try my highlight brush and see if that makes it weird. It does seem to lose a little bit of its like gold. It almost looks like silvery in the skin. I might have to be a little bit. Okay. Alright, I see Wet n Wild. A little bit down here. Oh, I'm just gonna get wild with it. Whoops. You can never have too much highlighter, guys. This is Alex. Now, just because I'm feeling a little extra, I'm gonna go in with the Master Chrome Molten Gold. And this one is just an absolutely stunning highlight. Just going to really make this pop. Because why, Alex? You can never have too much highlight, right, friends? That's right. Get that note. We are nearing the end, friends. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. Nothing you haven't seen here before. And this is going to be my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You know the drill. I have to put this on my lashes. I'm going to take our, should have snap piece. Alright, I'm going to take my Colourpop Brow Gloss Gel and just go in, lock my brows in place. This does leave a little bit of a white film, so, you know, no. And then last but not least, yeah, that was right. Okay, sorry, had a moment. Anyway, I have from Wet n Wild, it is the Megaglo Liquid Cat Suit, and this is in the shade Sun Nudes. Sorry, not the most appropriate of shades, but we're gonna do it anyway. I really like that, but just because I'm feeling a little extra, I'm gonna take another Liquid Cat Suit. This is in the shade Satin Sheets. Alright, Liquid Cat Suit, you need to calm down over there. Wet n Wild. Not it again. I'm just gonna pop this right in the center. Alright guys, so here is our final product. Using all drugstore items, the majority of this is Wet n Wild. I think this look came out really nice. I was a little nervous playing with that palette for $7. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I thought that the color payoff was great. I mean, you can really see those metallics shining through. So yeah, I'm digging it. Out of everything I tried today, I can't say there was anything that I didn't like. I will say my least favorite that I was kind of surprised by was the Coty Airspun powder. Even though it looks nice on the skin, like I'm not mad at what it looks like, I just keep smelling it. And it's very strong, distinct scent that, like, am I the only one that notices this? There's got to be other people out there that thinks that this smells like really in your face. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really see myself loving it forever if it smells like that. But outside of that, I thought the LA Girl blush was really pretty, blended really well, had great pigmentation. Like I said, these eyeshadows for $7, and look how easily you could throw this in like a purse or a makeup bag and travel with this. I thought this was great for sure. This is really pretty. I wouldn't say it's amazing just because it wasn't necessarily the easiest to blend out. I might keep playing around with it. It definitely was better with the Beauty Blender. I will say that over the brush. This was awesome. I'll let you guys know how it wears throughout the day, but aside from that, I thought it blended out really pretty on the skin and left me a really good base to do the rest of my face with. Both of the lipsticks, the Liquid Cat Suits, I think are super pretty. Yeah, I think this was a successful little impromptu drugstore tutorial, right? Most of these products, like I said, are under the $10 price point, so definitely won't be breaking anyone's budget. And oh, I forgot to tell you, I kind of like this. I'm gonna keep playing around with it, but I'll let you know. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on new videos. Follow me on Instagram so we can be friends. Follow me on Facebook so we can be friends. Let's just be friends. And thank you for watching. Have a good day, week, weekend. Bye.